This is our sample LM2 engine right here, and we have the PPE engine oil pan right here that we're going to install, but we're going to use the brand new LZ0 pickup tube to confirm that this fits with the 26 and up LZ0 trucks and anybody that has an LM2 that swapped to the LZ0 updated engine oil pan. If you're not familiar, I got several videos on that. Be sure to check those out. I don't want to go into too much detail, but they changed where the drain plug is. They changed the pickup tube location, and it's got a much better drain. I've got some videos that show how well this drains. But for this video, I'm going to answer a lot of your questions because a lot of people asked, will the PPE pan fit with the new design pickup tube? We're going to answer that. We've got some cameras that we're going to go ahead and put into the engine oil pans. I'm charging that one up so that way we can go through the drain plug if we absolutely need to see, but I'm going to put the GoPro inside the pan, see if we could see where the pickup tube location is on these, and we're going to do the factory variation as well as the PPE. So we have the LZ0 updated pan, we have the LM2 and early LZ0 old style pan, and the PPE engine oil pan, which can be found at demonworkshop.com if you're interested in that. Adds 2 quarts, so that's a big plus. But the part number for the new style pickup tube is 40009283, and it's got a larger area for picking up oil. You can see the differences right here: old style, new style. This will bolt right into any of the engine oil pumps. So LM2, LZ0, this pickup tube will work. This pickup tube does come with the oil pan kit, so be sure to ask for the full kit if you're interested in upgrading your engine oil pan from the dealership or wherever you buy your parts for that. So let's go ahead and get into this. We're going to take off this LZ0, the new style pan, and then we're going to put this PPE pan in place. Here's a better look. We have the original design LM2 to early LZ0. This is the 26 and up LZ0 engine oil pan, but not all 26s came with those. That came out several months after the 26 LZ0s came out. So some 26s have those pans, some don't. And then next to it is the PPE engine oil pan. You can see why we're going to go ahead and make sure that the pickup tube fits with all 3 of these design. Well, make sure that the pickup tube for the new design fits with this PPE engine oil pan. Now you can see right here, engine oil actually pools up right here, so when you drain it out, it's really not draining out. And some people say that if you just lift the front end up, you'll get a complete drain, but that's not the case because this pan sits like this already. So if you keep lifting it up, it actually doesn't really improve anything. Now this one is actually at a better spot because it has this hump and it forces the oil to go down here, as well as probably something for flow when the oil is returning. But as you can see, this one is at more of a bottom spot location, so it drains a little bit better. And in my testing, I believe it was half a cup difference. Then on the PPE pan, you can see the drain back down there, and it actually goes all the way to the bottom. Now the question here is, pickup tube sits like this, and it fits with that style pickup tube. We know that because that's where PPE designed that oil pan off of. Now this one is a little bit different, so it kicks it out over here, and you'll see whenever I go to put it up onto the engine oil pan over there, or the oil pump, that you'll see that the location is actually different. So I'll go ahead and do that right now so you can see the differences. All right, we are underneath at this point. Now I'm going to go ahead and slip the pickup for the original design into place, and you can see where its factory location is right there. Now when we go to the new design, you'll see that it's actually shifted over that way. It's a little bit straighter, and it kind of changed a little bit. Let me go ahead and get a different angle here for you. So here is the new style pickup tube. And there is the old style. So you can see the difference in there. You can see why we need to verify the function of it. Now we know the PPE engine oil pan fits with this style pickup tube. So let's go ahead and mount up this one. And there we go. All right, we're going to try this first. We're going to go ahead and put this up into place, see if this works out. Hopefully it does. All right, I went in through the dipstick hole right here, went down so we can go ahead and see just exactly where that pickup tube is, and it is clear of the lower portion of the engine oil pan, so that is good. Looks like we have the clearance. I am now going to take this pan off. We're going to put the 26 LZ0 new style pan in place, and then we're going to look to see at the pickup tube to see if it's in the same spot. Here's what I learned, and maybe you guys can correct me if I'm seeing this incorrectly, but this is the old style, this is the new style, and this is the PPE engine oil pan. Old style has the pickup tube picking up right about there. Whereas the new style has it picking up from right about there. Now what's cool about that is because when this oil drains down here, this hump right here is actually going to redirect it right there into where this pickup is. So there's going to be greater volume of engine oil available to this pickup tube. That's the way that I'm understanding it. So once again, that engine oil pan is a tremendous upgrade. Now when we go to this one right here, this is the PPE engine oil pan. Now we saw that the pickup tube here, the new style pickup tube goes right there, whereas the old style pickup tube is right there. So it fits, and that is confirmed on this, that it does fit. So now we can see the more that we mess with this engine oil pan, the more we realize that there are some key upgrades to this factory upgraded engine oil pan. I keep calling it upgraded because in my opinion it is. Better drain plug location, better area for the oil to pool up. And then we go to the PPE one, which actually allows for 2 additional quarts of engine oil, which is obviously another huge advantage right there. And then we know both pickup tubes are actually submerged in there. So hopefully this helps answer some of those questions for you guys. Send some more my way if you have any more. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at where the oil pump is. Let me know what else you got. Till next time, see ya.